Hi, it's Maria from the Tarot Shop here, and we've got a deck to walk through here called the Totem Guardians. It's an Oracle deck, and it's by Tanya Bond. And it says she created them for her own personal healing work, exploring lessons that others can easily integrate into their spiritual journeys. For visual inspiration, she turned to the world of Fauna familiars, presenting both natural and supernatural creatures. Some are magical and mythical, a few turned up as shapeshifters. All appear in harmony with their human companions. So each card delivers an empowering message that resonates with the archetypal energy of the animal it represents. Working with these 42 cards and 60-page booklet, this guy here, you will find much encouragement and guidance. So there we are. There's a helicopter. I don't know what that is actually. Something flying over then. Apologies. Yeah, it's the helicopter, isn't it? I don't know. It's noisy, whatever it is. Right, so we've got Totem Guardians. And here's the booklet. So usually they explain initially about why they did the deck. And then you've got straight into the cards. Unless you've got any information on how to use them. Yeah, they're not meant to foretell your future, but rather bring you into a state of peace with the present moment and encourage you to contemplate your life from the neutral position of an observer. I recommend that you only pick one card at a time and sit with the message, exploring how it resonates with what you're going through on a given day. So she is suggesting daily and consultation, so you just pick a card. Right, okay, let's have a look at them and see what you think. So these are the backs of them all. Shell. Nice, they glide. They really are nice to hold. And very good size as well, and not too many. Very nice deck to move through. Okay, so let's have a look. Oh, there's the nightingale. These are beautiful. I do like these. Okay, and then you just use a single word. I mean, I'll pick one at the end and we'll have a look. We'll just pick it, and then that's gorgeous. And then have a look at the book to see what the message is. That's cool, isn't it? Dear, these are lovely. They were delayed. They were meant to be available quite some time ago, and then they didn't arrive. So I don't know what the delay was. It could be just trying to get to the UK from the US. Maybe there was something going on there, but I've been waiting to get my hands on these for quite some time. I saw them in the review pack and I was like, lovely. Yeah, so she's right. You need to contemplate. Pick a card and then contemplate on the energy of that card. And you can use them as I use oracles, as you know, with the tarot scope. So just literally pick one. And then that's the energy that that person will have for the month. So let me pick a card for you now, randomly. Obviously, it's not going to be one of the beginning ones because I'm going to go straight through the middle of the pack. And there. Okay, Bunny Self-Talk number 6. Let's have a look. So you get the book. Right, what's the message here? The bunny card asks you to check on your internal self-talk. Yeah, because we're not negative, aren't we? We often judge, we blame, we shame, we belittle, we discourage, and we diminish ourselves worse than anyone out there ever could. And it hurts just as deeply. The little child inside of us hears all these hurtful words, and all it wants to do is hide and cry and never come out to play. This is how we slowly but surely destroy our potential for joy, creativity, and adventure. Show yourself acceptance no matter what you did or didn't do, or what you think is wrong with you. Show yourself kindness despite all the perceived mistakes and wrongdoings, just like you would a little child who just stumbled and is upset. Show yourself compassion and, most importantly, love. Oh, I like these. So these are the Totem Guardians by Tanya Bond. Okay, so that's it. Thank you very much for your time. If you are using them, then also let others know what you think about using them, what you're experiencing. And thanks very much for your time. Bye-bye.